No deal. No. No deal. No deal. Aba, pupunta ba yun?
Good luck.
Thank you, thank you. Kailangan ko yan.
Eight, 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 eight.
Charles E.
Okay, I took big big number 8.
Briefcase number 8. Here we go. Open it, please.
10,000. 10,000. 10,000.
Guys, 200,000 pesos.
Sabi ko sa'yo mo to kasi. Ano mangyayari?
Backer. Pinapasama ni Backer, kahit ano pa ang maging outcome ng laro na to, we all know for a fact you're going to be a great mom.
Thank you.
And kay Charles, kahit na game of chance to and game of luck, sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay, nakikita namin na pwede talagang ipagkatiwala sa'yo si Mel.
Oh, galing ah.
Thank you. Backers, last offer. 189,000 pesos. Is it a deal or no deal?
Kayang-kaya yan. Mag-no deal kaya o deal.
Charles, deal or no deal? To the audience, deal or no deal? Lucky Stars, deal or no deal?
Deal, deal, deal.
Golden Net, deal red.
Ang feeling ko, ang laman nito is 400,000. Kasi, syempre, Kira is my biggest blessing. She was born on the 12th. And sana, my biggest blessing is this briefcase. But then again, kung ako maglalaro, ilalaban ko hanggang huli. Pero hindi kasi para sa akin.
Si Ara, laban. Charles, deal. Just to let you know, kung si Charles,
Deal.
kung si Charles deal, kasa 400,000, buhay pa!
Deal.
189,000 is a big help, for the future. So I say, deal!
Yun.
Congratulations!
Thank you! Ay!
Dalawa na lang ang tinira sa money board, ang 10,000 and 400,000. Pero, sa offer na 189,000 pesos, nag-deal na si Mel. So this briefcase belongs to Backer. Ang laman nito ay
10,000. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Ay, nako.
Okay lang!
400,000 pesos. Okay na. Bolding, pakibuksan please.
Okay lang!
Mommy Mel,
Thank you!
Mommy, how was it playing mag-isang lucky player and playing with a very special cause in your heart?
Sobrang nakakaba, lalo na pag nandito ka na. Pero I'm so thankful na tinulungan ako ng audience sa mga Lucky Stars. At syempre kay Charles for picking the briefcases. Maraming salamat, Deal or No Deal, for having me.
Ultimate Fitness Metro Walk, Pep Silvestre, Bryce Atienza, Joanna Garcia, Under Armour Philippines, Swatch Philippines. Maraming salamat. Mga Mimel, 189,000 pesos. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Magkita pa tayo next time dito sa Kapamilya. Deal or no deal?